This is Brookewater. We're out in Fort Bend County, projected to be a 2,800 home community with a school, amenity center, and a number of other attributes. In 2022, we kicked off plant production of the first development. Brookewater is projected to last until around 2030 or so it'll be about a 7 or 8 year project. The first phase of Brookewater will consist of the first phase of the water and wastewater plants, so we can be self-sufficient to provide water to the neighborhood. And then the first phase will also consist of 5 sections, which will be 465 lots of the ultimate 2,800 lots. And we'll also have a couple of roadways that will serve as major arterials for the neighborhood. That will be part of the first phase of development.
EHRA does all the civil engineering, so we do all like the infrastructure, so any of the utilities, so all the piping for water to the homes, wastewater out of the homes. Main thing in Houston is worrying about drainage, so we do all the drainage, all the street design, the pond design, and then we facilitate getting these plans approved, getting them constructed, and getting them accepted into the county. So first phase is your biggest phase. That'll be majority of your detention work, and then all your entries off existing roads. And we're doing 5 sections and 1 collector road.
We're back out of Brookewater. We completed phase 1, which was that original 465 lots and the initial phase of the wastewater treatment plant. We are currently in phase 2 or phase 3 of the project, kind of a mixing point between the two. We are delivering section 9 currently. We're working on water, sewer, and drainage infrastructure for the amenity center, which we hope to have online sometime towards the end of the year. We are currently working on sections 10 and 11 with the kicking off another 2 or 3 sections. Very active, really, in that phase 2 or 3 of the project.
So we are actually in the middle of phase 2 right now. So all the phase 1 sections are complete, homes being built, and we are under construction of phase 2. All of our main infrastructure is in already, so phase 2 will just be more sections. A section is just a subdivision. It's just an area of land that's been divided out with lots and streets.
We have residents that have moved into the neighborhood now. We probably have 45 occupied homes, and so we're getting to that point where it's starting to feel like a real neighborhood. When you see amenity centers going up, when you see monuments going up, you know that you're creating a place that people will call home for a long time. Up until this point, you're kind of just working on plans and moving dirt, and it's hard to see exactly what the concept will be, but now you're starting to see it come to fruition.